This is the Uluwatu Cave, guys, the entrance. We have to scale these stairs. And out there is the ocean. And on the high tide, what happens is, where you see all these people sitting, the water rushes in, so it probably gets about chest high, the depth of the water, but the waves are pushing in, so it can be really tumultuous when you're trying to paddle out or come in because of those waves rushing through. And you've got to time it right, or else you can get battered against the rocks here, as you can see. They're pretty rugged rocks. And I'll show you guys the walkway in from this perspective. So jump down. I mean, so this is some pretty incredible area. Looks like they've done probably some type of hippie thing here. Something with stones, but let's have a look again. I mean, let's visually take this in. We're in a cave, essentially. And those stairs will bring you up on top of that rock. And you can slide over here, I believe, to another beach, but let's just check out the rock itself. I mean, it's just stunning, right? It's like a Nat Geo experience. You walk through a cave to get to the surge of the swell of the waves. Come out through these rocks and these greenery, and what a scene. And then here is what you have to navigate just to get out to the surf lineup. You can see the water line too, right? It's like right about there. The waves just rushing underneath me. So this is the epitome of Bali, I'd say, right here. Let's take it over to the side beach. There's a beach to the right. And it's a little bit less dramatic, but it's still worth a look if we can get there. I'm not sure we can right now. It's all dependent upon the tides. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think it's doable because it's over there. And you'd have to go through those rocks. And I've got my computer with me, so I'm bailing on it today. It's a safety thing too, because once you get in there to that isolated beach, the tide rises, you're stuck because it's just the cliffs and the beach. And then you have nowhere to go. You'd have to try and swim out, but you've got waves pushing super hard from the ocean into the cliffs, and you have to be an incredibly good swimmer to navigate that. That's it, guys.
Yes.
Uluwatu.
Yes, one bill.
There's a lot.
Yeah. Of me one. Buy one.
No, thank you. I'm walking around, just enjoying.
Why?
Why?
Why you
Wha-
see me?
Why do people go to Uluwatu?
Yes, but good spot.
Good
spot, Uluwatu, very nice.
It's true.
Yeah, where are you from?
USA. Where are you from?
From Buya, Uluwatu.
Okay. Local woman.
Yes, of course.
Cool. Thank you.